The estateCraft business of organizing people's chaos and creating space to create dreams in. So whether it's home environments or work environments, test labs for scientists' residences. People have experienced a number of traumas and then they lose control of order. Maybe haven't had it for decades. So I love reestablishing that or establishing it for the first time. Anybody who wanted even a half a day of assistance or someone you know that's really fallen into chaos, the dirty details of your life are just details. I'm happy to help bring out your original dreams in a way that makes you feel empowered in the process. So if you have anybody you know or you or yourself one of those people, 3 to 500 for a half a day, 3,000 for 3 days. I work 10 hours each of those days. In 3 days can pretty much transform properties and give you tools to keep going on your own easily. I'm also willing to take on far larger projects and have a camper van that I am able to show up anywhere in the state or nearby states to do the jobs.